ako, Ninong, ha?
Hinahanap kita eh.
Thank you, ha? I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight from you. They said you're relieving someone sweat your heart away. From the look upon your face, I see it's true. So tell me all about it. Tell me about the plans you're making. And tell me one thing more before I go. Here's contestant number 1.
Yeah!
Kayo na kayo.
Alan, eto kami, eto. Eto, oh, ayan.
Saan ka?
Eto ako.
Saan ka ba nagagala? Ayun!
Ayan,
Ayun
kasama
ka
ko ngayon
pala.
si George Almonia, 39 years old, ng Angeles, Pampanga.
Wow, kabalin!
Oo. Okay, pakitaan mo si Ninong, ha? George, tirahin mo!
Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long.
Taas ang boses!
How am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I believe before it's gone?
Okay, George,
Grabe
awat na muna.
naman.
Takbo ka na kay Ninong. Moy palaboy! Mahahay!
Yeah!
Yes!
Kasama namin ngayon si Michael Presnoza,
Pres na
32
pres!
years old, ang Giginto, Bulacan. Ano? Ready ka na?
Yeah!
Sige, bigyan mo.
Parata mo!
Didn't come here for crying, didn't come here to break down. It's just a dream of mine, it's coming to an end. How can I blame you when I build my world around? I hope that one day we'd be so much more than friends.
Oh, takbo ka na kay Ninong! Ano, Chandler?
Ay, bye-bye! Nako! Hello! Nako, kasama ko ngayon si Fernan Dumayo Jr., 30 years old, mula sa Sarangani. Ready ka na, Fernan? Okay, bigay mo na!
I don't wanna pay the price I'm gonna pay remaining. Oh, even now it's more than I can take. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I believe for is gone?
Takbo lang kay Ninong, Fernan!
And I don't wanna pay the price. Wala pa. Iba wala pa. Eto pa lang, oh. Bigla ka kasing lumapit, eh. And I don't wanna pay the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming.
gagaling nung tatlo. Kaya lang, may tagpa 5,000 na kagad sila.
Oh!
Okay, nasa magagaling. Okay. Okay. Ang gagaling nung tatlo. Kaya lang, isa sa inyo, dadagdagan ko pa ng 10,000. Isa sa inyo, dadagdagan ko ng 10,000. Kung sino ang pinakamagaling bumirit dito sa kita. Okay. Sino ang pinakamagaling bumirit dito sa kita?
O, sino mauna?
Nong,
Sinong unang manok?
unahin ko to. Si George.
Oh.
Nong, mataas to.
Di, nahulog
Gaano
yung-
kataas?
Ang
Kanina-
boses nito, Nong.
Di, nahulog yung...
Sintaas
yung
ng ano, Petronas Tower. Ah, taas.
Taas yun.
Taas, sobra. Okay, ready? George, tirahin mo.
I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Not a job dreams has come true. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long.
Ang ganda.
Galang.
Ang ganda nun ah.
Ang ganda.
Siyempre, kami naman.
Ha?
Oo.
Taas.
Ang ganda nun ah. Parang walang sinunod ah.
Yun na ba yung itataas nyo?
Mataas yan.
Nong, kami Nong, eto, mataas talaga to.
Okay.
Sintaas ng puno ng mangga. Teka. Ayan, pakita ang gilas ka na ha. Okay? Okay.
And I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Now that your dream has come true, tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is gone?
Parang bigla silang naging babae.
Ano naman pala yun?
In fairness,
Galing. Ang galing.
Ang baba nun, ang baba. Ito, Don, ito si Fernan. Mataas ang boses nito.
O, gaano kataas?
Kasing taas ang bonsai.
pero pag sabi sa kanya, one note higher tayo na. ha?
Ano tayo na?
Sandali, dapat
Sa original key.
Bakit bonsai?
Bonsai.
Ang liit nun.
Oo, nakapatong sa Mount Everest.
Wow.
Okay, Fernan.
Pwede.
Try mo. Go!
And I don't wanna pay a price, I'm gonna pay your dreaming. Oh, now you're gonna dream come true. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I'm living for is gone?
Nino,
You know?
Ba. Magandang laban to ah.
Survive!
Sandali,
Iba-iba ng
okay,
ending.
okay. Kapit na muna kayo. Kapit na kayo. Kapit na kayo.
Pare.
Okay.
Ano no?
Okay. Okay.
Dali
Ayaw
lang,
yan.
magsitahimik tayo.
Sandali lang. Narinig mo na ba yung manok ko?
Oh. May manok ka?
May manok ako. Halika. Manok.
sandali. Pekto, ipapaalala ko lang kasi yung mga contestant natin
Okay.
parang ano eh.
Okay, sige. Kata na.
Parang hirang piyok yung ginawa eh.
Go, Pekta! And I don't wanna pay the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Now that your dream has got through, tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? How am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living
Okay na.
is gone?
Okay.
Ang galing no, kinimatay lang yung manok mo.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay. Ang nanalo. Ang nanalo, madagdagan ng 10,000 sa tatlo. Pero hindi bali, dahil yung tatlo may tag 5,000 na. Okay. Number 2.
Ikaw yun. 10,000.
10,000. Okay, congratulations sa inyong tatlo. At hindi kayo uwing luhaan. Malayo pa marating nyo dahil maganda ang mga busis nyo. Okay.
Okay. Ayan,
Ah,
congratulations. At syempre, ito pa, Ninong, ang belt mapupunta kay... Sinong mentor mo?
ayun.
Sinong mentor mo?
Ito,
Moy
ito,
Moy.
ito.
Boy.
Ito.
Paano yan? Dalawa tayo ah.
Ayan.
Ako na.
Ikaw ang tatanggap ng Boxing Along Champion
Mentors belt.
Mentors Belt.
Correct.
Ayan, eto na, malalaman na natin kung sino ang Lucky Studio Audience at Celebrity Partner ang maglalaro para sa jackpot na 2 million pesos na balato ni Ninong. Susunod na
Ayan
ang
na.
si Money Elimination Round sa pagbabalik ng
Money, Money, Prizes!